Hi everyone! Welcome to Good Food, Good Loot. In today's episode, I have some good loot to share. These were shipped all the way from China. And yes, I'm addicted to online shopping. Ten minutes later and I'm still struggling to open this. That was really a very strong scotch tape. So I got more miniatures. Because I was on an impulsive shopping spree mode and I couldn't stop adding to cart. I like it when they are kept in small mini Ziploc bags. Come back here. So these are cup noodles and they come in different flavors. Not only that, they have a surprise inside. Ta-da! I love it that the noodles are detachable and you can take it out of the bowl. And the noodles are pretty detailed. Can you see the texture? Oops. The lid is also resealable. So we have one noodle in each bowl. Let's move on to the next miniature I got. And we have a mini rolling pin, which is made out of wood. And we have 2 organic rice and organic flour. Both of them says natural food. And these are the little twin stars from Sanrio. Moving on to the third miniature. Here we have some potato chips. The lid can be taken off, and inside we have some chips which are stuck in it. The chips can't be taken out, but it's alright. This would be sour cream and onion flavor. I'm not sure what flavor this is, but it looks like tomato salsa. Even the chips have texture on them. And this came in a set. I think they were about $2 to $3. Hey, we have some Doritos. These are squishy and they are not acrylic. They feel like rubber, or more like a better quality of plastic. Let's check out the other flavor. Is the purple one barbecue? I think so. And then we have the yellow one, which I believe would be cheese. Finally, I got this out. I think this says Italian red meat flavor. These look so cute together. Thank you for watching if you stayed till this far. I'm just going to play pretend with this shopping cart. Let's see if I can fit everything in it. I think it's going well so far. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. I'm just gonna stay here and try to figure out how to fit everything in this cart. Yay! I did it! These would look super neat on my shelf. See you tomorrow!